Nifty starts 2025 on a positive note after 9 glorious years of gains. What's ahead for the bulls? The good news, Nifty ended 2024 with 8.80% gains. The bright side of 2024 was that Nifty maintained its winning streak for 9th straight year. That was really fabulous 9 long, glorious years of gains. And hopefully, we could be on the cusp of another 5 years of gains, if not more. Optimism shall continue to be in air for long-term investors, and the recipe for an historic and long-lasting bull market are 1. Lower interest rates. 2. A strong and resilient economy. 3. Prospects for increasing earnings estimates in the long term. 4. A broadening rally. 5. Lower oil prices. Meanwhile, this morning, there is a bright chance that Nifty is likely to start the new year 2025 on a positive footing. The positive catalyst, improving leads from Wall Street in overnight trade on backdrop of cooling US bond yields. Long story short, confirmation of strength only above Nifty 200 DMA, which is placed at 23,873 mark. Global cues are positive. In yesterday's volatile session, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 4645 crores, while DIIs net bought shares to the tune of Rs 4547 crores. Sentiments are likely to waver in today's trade. Market breadth for the day is likely to be neutral. Nifty's technicals are indicating weakening momentum on the daily charts. FANO January month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 22,500 to 25,000 zone. India VIX, the fear index is hovering at 14.47 levels. Nifty PCR, 30th January, is at 1.19 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 29th January, is at 0.91. Nifty outlook, positivity is likely to greet Dalal Street on first day of New Year 2025, but that said, it's likely to be a tough January for the permabull scam. Nifty, CMP 23645. Biggest support on Nifty is placed only at 23,263 mark. Immediate resistance is placed only at 23,951 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 23,500 and 23800. Bias for the day is neutral. Bank Nifty, CMP 50860. Bank Nifty's biggest support now seen only at 49,100 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 51,979 mark closing basis. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 50,500 and 51500. Bias for the day is neutral. 2024 was actually a banner year for Dalal Street, as the trading screen was dominated by the bulls despite FIIs fleeing Indian equities by selling shares worth Rs 306000 crores in the entire CY 2024. SIP inflows remained strong as they rose steadily throughout the year to reach 25,320 crore rupees in November 2024. In December 2023, SIP inflows, which largely come from retail investors, stood at mere 17,610 crore rupees. Buzzing stocks. 1. Vodafone Idea has gained 6% in last two trading sessions after the government waived bank guarantees for past spectrum auctions. 2. Adani Enterprises is in limelight on reports that the firm has entered into an agreement to sell its entire stake of about 44% in Adani Wilmar, all. The stake sale is estimated to fetch the Adani Group approximately $2.2 billion, 18,817 crore rupees, once complete. Meanwhile, here are 2024 sectoral performances.